Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to be customizing an iPhone and giving it away to one of you guys. So if you would like to know how to enter, stay tuned to the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Now that the phone is all sanded, time to spray paint. Now, we wait. It's so windy outside. Now let's start customizing. All done. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, and comment down below where you're from and your Instagram username. I will be choosing somebody at random. Good luck to everybody, and I'll see you in my next video.